So I just did the video, if you check it out, on the face cream, the new face cream with Frequence. And I did want to mention that I love the way my makeup goes on over the face cream. It just glides on, and then throughout the day, it feels just steady. It's just there. It's like in the nighttime, I typically would just look washed out. But with the face cream, it just allows my makeup to last longer, to look better longer, which is awesome. So it's kind of a side note there. Checking in with you with doing my rise this morning. Tell you, it takes me from kind of like to okay, I'm ready for the day. And the flavor is so delicious. Lemonade mango or mango lemonade. It is so good. And then I add, so that's our rise and the frequency. Oops, the frequency is on the top for this one. And our source are alkaline drops on the bottom. And this gives you all trace minerals, the black fulvic powder, which is tremendous quality, health qualities, all from the Great Salt Lake Basin area, which is awesome. That's where I'm from. And we'll add some more here. But this just is a drink that gives, within 20-30 minutes, you're feeling the better effects. Just I call it kind of this shift in mood. And it makes you want to be around yourself. It makes others want to be around you. It makes, takes kind of the struggles and issues that you might be dealing with in the morning, makes them a little bit more doable. And as issues come up through the daytime, it helps you to handle those with grace and ease. So everybody's different, every body is different, but that's how I feel, and what so many people I know, my dear friends, who are using drink on the rise drink, my mushroom juice. This weekend at our ribbon cutting, we also released these tuned, everything's frequency tuned. So this is a straw that's frequency tuned. Not only that, but we have the anti-aging face cream now. So no more using a straw where you're going to purse your lips and keep that aging of our lip area going. Rather, we got a straw here that a dear friend Marina, her daughter, 13-year-old, goes, "Mom, you're doing anti-aging? You cannot be using a regular straw. Let me show you this." And they went on TikTok and it's like, oh my gosh. So these are frequency tuned. Has a little stopper here, a little hole right in the center there. And you literally just stir, sip, and slay the day. Literally. It's really cool. It feels like a water or a fountain coming up through the straw. It just makes it fun and frequency tuned, which the harmonic frequencies in our body, our organs in every part of our body has its specific love language frequency, because we're all frequency, we're all energy, everything is energy and frequency. So nailed this. You've got to get it. Go to frequencycharge.com, check them out, grab them. You will feel better, and you will say, oh my gosh, Kathy, I am dealing with some heavy stuff and this is getting me through. And that will make me so happy. And if it's something that just doesn't affect your body, that's okay. Get your money back. But I'm telling you, everyone that I know that has drank this has just been, wow, it's really made a difference. I can tell, if anything, it can be a cell shift, but they say, I just can tell there's a difference. That's awesome. That's awesome. So anyway, so I will see you out later. And wasn't the solar eclipse like awesome? I'm telling you, we were supposed to have clouds and thunderstorms. And I prayed and prayed, and it's like, God, you parted the Red Sea. I know you can part the clouds. And by darn, I did not hesitate on my faith throughout the whole time when the clouds were covering. You can just kind of see that they were moving and opening up to sky. And it was spectacular with my 6-year-old and 3-year-old grandkids, and my daughter, who's right here, her husband was in the air going on a business trip through it. But we had so much fun. It was amazing, and the darkness was like crazy. It's like my grandson was this close, if not closer, like this. I could not see him. It was like, I know you're there. I can hear your voice, but I don't see you. So anyway, God bless you. Love you so much. Take care. Have a freaking awesome day. Take care. Bye-bye.